Circular imports in Python occur when two or more modules depend on each other directly or indirectly, leading to import errors. This situation can cause confusion in the initialization order and can lead to runtime errors, making it an important issue to address. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to avoid circular imports, along with code examples. Understanding circular imports, consider two modules: module, a py and module, bpy Python module, a p from module b import function b def function a print function a function b module, bp from module a import function a def function b print function b function a. In this case, if you try to run either module, you will encounter an import error due to the circular dependency. Strategies to avoid circular imports: 1. Refactor your code. Organize your code such that related functions and classes are grouped in the same module. If two modules depend on each other, consider merging them into one. Example: Python module combined pydef function a print function a function bdef function b print function b function a2. Use local imports. Import modules or functions within the functions where they are needed rather than at the top of the file. This defers the import until the function is called. Example: Python module a pydef function from module b import function b local import print function a function b module, b pydef function b from module a import function a local import print function b function a3. Utilize a third module for shared code. If both modules need to share some common functionality, consider creating a third module that contains the shared functions or classes. Example: Python shared pydef function a print function a def function b print function b module, a p from shared import function a def call function a function a module, bpy from shared import function bdef call function b function before. Use class-based design. Sometimes encapsulating related functions inside classes can help avoid circular dependencies. Example: Python module ap class a def method a self print method a module, bpy from module a import a class bdef method b self print method ba a method a5. Check import order. Sometimes simply rearranging your import statements can resolve circular import issues, as Python executes imports in the order they are found. Conclusion: circular imports can lead to significant issues in Python applications, but with careful design and organization of your code, they can be avoided. Whether through refactoring, using local imports, creating shared modules, or employing class-based designs, there are multiple strategies to tackle this problem efficiently. Always keep your modules cohesive and focused on a single responsibility to minimize dependencies and the likelihood of circular imports.